As a homeowner in Deltona, you know how important it is to maintain a comfortable living environment, especially during the hot summers and mild winters that Florida is known for. One of the most effective ways to improve your home's comfort and lower energy costs is through energy-efficient window replacement. Whether you're looking to enhance your home's insulation, reduce utility bills, or simply enjoy a more comfortable living space, upgrading your windows can provide a wide range of benefits. Let's explore how energy-efficient windows can help you save money and create a more pleasant home environment. Improved insulation and temperature control. Deltona's climate presents unique challenges for homeowners, particularly when it comes to keeping your home cool during the scorching summer months. Traditional windows, especially older single-pane windows, do little to keep heat out and cool air in. This means that your air conditioning system works harder to maintain a comfortable temperature, leading to higher energy bills. Energy-efficient windows, particularly those with double or triple pane glass, feature insulating gas layers like argon or krypton between the panes, which significantly reduces heat transfer. These windows are also often equipped with low-E coatings, which help reflect heat back outside during the summer and retain warmth inside during the cooler months. As a result, energy-efficient windows help maintain a consistent indoor temperature, reducing the strain on your HVAC system and ultimately leading to lower energy consumption. Lower utility bills. In Florida's climate, energy costs can quickly escalate due to the constant need for air conditioning during the summer. If your current windows aren't properly insulated, the cool air from your AC escapes easily, forcing your system to work overtime to keep your home comfortable. By replacing your old windows with energy-efficient models, you can lower your cooling costs by improving the overall energy efficiency of your home. These windows are designed to minimize air leaks, reduce solar heat gain, and prevent heat loss. As a result, you will notice significant savings on your utility bills over time. In fact, many homeowners find that their investment in energy-efficient windows pays for itself through the savings on energy bills, making them a smart long-term investment. Enhanced comfort and reduced drafts. Another significant benefit of energy-efficient windows is their ability to eliminate drafts that can make certain rooms in your home feel uncomfortable. In Deltona, the combination of high humidity and fluctuating temperatures can make it difficult to maintain a consistent indoor climate. Older, inefficient windows may allow moisture and unwanted air to enter, creating drafty spots or areas of the home that feel too hot or too cold. Energy-efficient windows, by contrast, seal tightly, preventing drafts and providing consistent indoor temperatures year-round. Whether it's the heat of summer or the cooler months of the year, energy-efficient windows ensure that your home stays comfortable, no matter what the weather is like outside. UV protection to preserve your home's interiors. Living in sunny Florida means that your home is exposed to intense UV rays, which can cause fading and damage to your furniture, flooring, and artwork over time. Energy-efficient windows with low-E coatings offer protection against harmful UV rays by reflecting the majority of the sun's radiation away from your home. This added layer of protection helps to preserve the color and integrity of your belongings, reducing the need for frequent replacements and repairs. With energy-efficient windows, your furniture and floors will stay looking new longer, while also benefiting from enhanced energy efficiency. Increased home value. In addition to lowering your utility bills and improving your home's comfort, energy-efficient windows can also increase your property's value. Homebuyers are increasingly looking for energy-efficient features when purchasing a home, and replacement windows are a key selling point. By upgrading to modern, high-performance windows, you not only enhance the overall appearance of your home but also make it more attractive to potential buyers. This could lead to a higher resale value if you decide to sell your home in the future, making it a worthwhile investment in the long run. Eco-friendly benefits. If you're looking to reduce your environmental footprint, energy-efficient windows are a great choice. By lowering energy consumption, you're also reducing your carbon footprint, helping to preserve the environment. These windows use less energy for cooling and heating, which reduces the overall demand on electricity generated by fossil fuels. By choosing energy-efficient windows, you not only save money but also contribute to a greener planet. Conclusion: a smart investment for Deltona homeowners. Energy-efficient window replacement is a smart investment for homeowners in Deltona who are looking to lower utility bills, increase comfort, and enhance the value of their homes. With improved insulation, temperature control, UV protection, and energy savings, these windows provide numerous benefits that will last for many years. If you're ready to experience the difference that energy-efficient windows can make in your home, contact a professional window replacement company in Deltona. Make your home more comfortable, save money on energy bills, and contribute to a more sustainable future, all with the simple upgrade of replacement windows.